As profs and DIYers demand faster and more accurate measurements, the popularity of laser distance measurers continues to rise. These devices replace bulky tape measures and deliver precise results at the push of a button. In this guide, we evaluate top-rated laser measures based on accuracy, range, ease of use, build quality, and smart features. Whether you're a contractor, designer, or homeowner, these picks will improve your measuring efficiency and accuracy. List number: BOSCH GLM 123 100 feet blaze laser distance measure. Includes 2 AA batteries. The BOSCH GLM 123 Blaze is a premium laser measure designed for accuracy and ease of use. With a 100 feet range and plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, it handles most residential and commercial tasks effortlessly. The backlit color display is easy to read in any lighting, while its single-button operation makes it user-friendly even for beginners. One standout feature is the real-time measurement mode that updates as you move, ideal for dynamic measurements or quick estimates. Its compact build fits easily in a pocket or tool belt. List new rockseed digital laser distance meter. 50 meters / 165 feet with 2 bubble levels. The rockseed 165 feet laser distance meter offers a great balance of affordability and functionality. Its dual bubble levels improve stability during use, which adds accuracy, especially when working without a tripod. This unit features multiple measuring modes: distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations. Its 2mm accuracy and 50-meter, 165 feet range make it ideal for home projects. List number: rockseed digital laser distance meter, 50M, 165 feet with 2 bubble levels. Duplicate listing. This listing is identical to the previous rockseed entry, confirming its popularity and demand in the market. Offering a 165 feet range with reliable 2mm accuracy and essential features like dual bubble levels and multiple measuring modes. It's a dependable tool for home and small job site use. It supports real-time distance tracking and memory storage for efficiency. The durable, water-resistant body makes it tough enough for workshop conditions, while still being compact enough to carry easily. List number 4. MILESEEY 229 feet digital laser tape measure with upgraded electronic angle sensor. 2mm accuracy. MILESEEY takes measuring to the next level with its 229-foot laser tape measure. Engineered for professional-grade precision. The upgraded electronic angle sensor enhances the accuracy of indirect measurements, especially in complex layout tasks like slope ceilings or staircases. It supports multiple modes including area, volume, Pythagoras, and continuous measurement. The large LCD display is sharp and backlit for better readability in various environments. Its plus or minus 2mm accuracy ensures confidence in every reading. Rugged and ergonomic. List number 5. MILESEEY laser measurement tool, 229 feet with digital angle level and phone app. Combining powerful laser measurement capabilities with smart connectivity. This 229 feet MILESEEY laser measure is ideal for tech-savvy users. With integrated Bluetooth, it syncs to a smartphone app for data storage and project management, especially useful for contractors or designers managing multiple measurements. Its digital angle level enhances precision on sloped surfaces, while the plus-minus 2mm accuracy keeps measurements reliable. Like others in the MILESEEY lineup, it features multiple modes including area,